Yeah. So to change a dial needle, this is already on YouTube. You open up this screw in the back, and the needle doors are going to be right always there. You might look in the beginning, but it's also 0, 1.
And that one screw does...
Just holds, you'll see in a second. Make sure you don't lose the screw. When you take this out, try to lift up first and then pull out. And there you can see all the needles are there. And you can see here, pushed out. So if one is broken, and you'll see like the hook is broken, you take these little long nose pliers and just take them out.
And so how do you not lose, like...
It will already, if they're broken, there will already be a hole there. And so the butts, these square pieces here, are running inside there.
The groove, yeah.
If, for any example, that you see that you take this off and you see the needles are up like that, that means it's pulling down too much, or the yarn is too tight here, which we'll talk about later.
Which is gonna...
So an indicator that something else is wrong is that the needle butts raise up, sort of like, I'll just show, so like raise, I'm trying to do it more pronounced, but they're like that. That means there's too much tension on the yarn.
Yeah.
So just make sure, put it back in.
Do we spray oil or anything in this groove back?
No, it's, you might want to blow.
Yeah, blow air before you put it back.
So just in the future, let's say after like 3 months of running, you might say there's an accumulation of lint back here, and you might want to take the air gun and blow it, and it'll blow out. So say you identify that this was the needle. Then you take your long nose pliers and just grab it here. You can actually do it by hand.
Yeah.
Grab it with the pliers and then just take it out. Okay. You know, it's just because you can't get your fingers. You could do it with your hands if it was open. So you make sure that this goes back into the right place, and you'll see it should be flush. It will move until we get the screw. Don't lose the screw. These are basic metric screws, but no, maybe Larry might have, but nobody ever asked us for that.
That's it.